Hello, today let's look at the HSS cutters from 76 up to 610 millimeters. The Tonisco HSS cutter has a standard cutting depth from 70 millimeters up to 200 millimeters, but it can be manufactured with any cutting depth. It comes in size ranges from 76 up to 610 millimeters. It's suitable for carbon steel, stainless steel, and for ductile. Remember, hole saws are consumables, so always have a spare one. For more information about the HSS cutters, please contact our sales at sales@tonisco.com. Thanks for watching.